How to use the library database search. Library databases are collections of online academic resources. Sometimes they're broad and cover a lot of subjects like Academic Search Complete, and sometimes they're focused on a particular subject like the Nursing and Allied Health database. What will you find in a library database? Many databases include scholarly journal articles, but they can also include magazine and newspaper articles, books, book chapters, book reviews, images, and videos. Some databases even include interactive tools. Take Access Engineering, which has interactive data visualization tools, or Anatomy TV, which allows you to manipulate 3D anatomical structures with the click of a mouse. How do you search the library's databases? From the Database Search tab, search for a specific database, like Academic Search Complete, to get a link to access that database as a Campbell student. Or if you don't know which database you need, use the drop-down menu to find relevant databases in your field. Selecting biology, for example, will give you the best bet databases for research and learning in that field. As always, if you need help, feel free to contact a librarian.